Fingers together, my thumbs together, and elbows go straight. And now we'll close our eyes. God bless mommy and daddy too. God bless me and God bless you. Bless the children here today. Bless the children far away. And now I also want to chant Om. Can we chant Om 3 times? Can we do that? Now let's breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Om. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Om. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, Wonderland children. And now let's shake a hand. Shake, shake, shake your hand. Shake, shake, shake your hand. Slowly, slowly, and roll, roll, roll your hand. Roll, roll, roll your hand. Slowly, slowly, and nod, nod, nod your head. Nod, nod, nod your head. Slowly, slowly, and clap, clap, clap your hand. Clap, clap, clap your hand. Slowly, slowly. Touch on your head. And now touch on your cheek. And now touch on your eye. Pika, pika, pika. Boo! Happy Mother's Day. Do you know that a special day is coming? We have to make our mama feel very special. It's a very, very, very special day. And you know what? I could not go out. Market is closed. So what did I do? I found a basket of gifts for mama. Could you see the basket for gifts for mama? And I did not go out. What did I do? I was looking all over the house. What did I find? First, I found a lotion for my mama. And I did not go out. I was really looking for it. Did you know that? Then I found another lotion for mama. Then I found another lotion for mama. So many lotions so that she can keep her hand clean, tidy, and very soft. Then another lotion. Oh my God, how many lotion did I find? One, two, three, four. Then I found a nail polish for mama. Then I found shower gel for mama. Could you see the shower gel for mama? Then I found kajal for mama. And then I found lip balm for mama. And I also found a candle for mama. Did you see? But it is also very important to keep ourselves very safe and healthy. So I also want to give mama a pair of gloves and a mask and also a sanitizer. It's very important to wash our hands, right? And my mama has a very long hair, so she wants to comb. So I also want to give her comb. So I have collected so many things for mama, but I don't have a perfume. And my mama really likes to wear perfume. So what did I do? I said, let me make a perfume. So I made a perfume for my mama. Could you see? Can you see a perfume? And what can you see? I can see so many flowers. Oh, do you want to make a perfume for your mama? Do you want to make a perfume? Okay, so let's make a perfume. And it's very, very easy to make. So shall we make a perfume? Let's make a perfume for mama. So what do we have to do now? I have collected a tray for mama. I have prepared, and can you see? There are so many things. So many things. I have rose water. I have so many flowers. And babies, I did not pluck flowers. I only picked up the flowers which was lying on the ground. Do not pluck flowers. Then I have essential oil, and then I also have a spray bottle. You can find anywhere. You ask mama to give me a spray bottle, and I also made a funnel. Why did I make a funnel? So that I can transfer water into the container, into the bottle. Now let's make a perfume. So what will I do now? I will open the bottle, open the lid of the bottle very slowly. Very. I will open the bottle very slowly. And did you see the guide mark? Did you see the line? I only have to fill the water till here. And I will not pour the water like that. I will not pour water like that. Otherwise, there will be spillage of water. So what did I do? I made a funnel, and I'm going to put a funnel here, and I'm going to transfer water. Could you see? I have to fill till the guide mark. Stop. Stop. The water is there till guide mark. And this is not a water, it's a special water which I have got it. It is rose water. And when you smell the rose water, it's very nice. It's very refreshing. And now I have essential oil, and I'm going to put how many drops? I can put 3 drops, okay? I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have put some drops of essential oil. Now I really want to make my perfume very beautiful. So now I'm going to pluck flowers from here, and I'm going to put one by one. Wow. Shall I put pink color also? Mama's favorite color is pink. So I'm going to put pink, but you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. See? You have to be very careful. Now I'm going to put white flower. Now again I'm going to put, I want to put even, oh, I got one more pink flower. So I'm going to put pink flower. Wow. Should I put more flower? Okay, let me put one more flower. I can put. And you have to be very careful.
Mom.
Should I put one more? Wow. I think it's looking pretty. Is it looking pretty? And now I'm closing the lid. You have to be very careful. And now you can shake, shake, shake. And now I want to smell. See, So do you see? You cannot see, you can only feel it. Wow, I can spray all over myself. And now my perfume is ready and I'm very happy. But I don't want to give my perfume like this to mama. So what did I do? I was looking all over my home that how should I give my present. So I found a mason jar. What did I find? A jar. It is a recycle jar. And can you see what is written here? Happy Mother's Day. And now I'm going to put all the items one by one. First, I'm going to put perfume. Should I put perfume? Then I'm going to put candle. You have to put it very nicely, very quietly, so that mama doesn't get to know. Lotion, shower gel. Then I'm going to put comb. Then I'm going to put sanitizer. Again lotion, lip balm, nail polish, kajal, and then I'm going to put it very nicely. The mask and the glove. So many things. Wow. Mama will get so happy. And also found a mini soap. Could you see the mini soap? And now I want to cover it. I don't want to give like that. If I will give like this, the thing will come out. So what did I do? I found a fabric. Any fabric. Did you see the fabric? It's a beautiful pink color. And I'm going to cover it. Do you see? I'm going to cover it and I'm going to put rubber band around it. My gift hamper is ready. Wow. And I also want to put a bow. So I found a thread. Any color thread would do, but I found this one at my home. So I'm going to tie around it. Wow. I am very excited. See, my gift is ready for mama. And now I'm going to say Happy Mother's Day. It's so easy. You don't have to go to the market. You can find anything in your home which your mama likes. And these all are my mama's favorite things. Do you have any favorite thing? I do. Even my mama does. And now I'm going to show you some very interesting rhymes. You want to listen? Can you wait for 2 minutes? 1 minute? Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Here's a gift I'll give to you on this Mother's Day. I'll clean my room, I'll make my bed, I'll put my toys away. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day! Do you want to, should I play it again? Now I want to play it again. Let's play it again. Do you know what date it is? I have a little song for you. Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day.
Here's a gift I'll give to you on this Mother's Day. I'll clean my room, I'll make my bed, I'll put my toys away. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day. Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Here's a gift I'll give to you on this Mother's Day. I'll clean my room, I'll make my bed, I'll put my toys away. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. And now it's goodbye time. So can we sing goodbye song?
Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love, it's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again.
So thank you, baby. Bye. See you.
बाय तो बोलो.
Bye. See
अच्छा बाय
you.
बोलो. बताओ श्रुति मैम, बताओ क्या कर रहे हैं. What is